Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add widgets onto your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! As you can see, we only have one widget here and currently it is the Google widget. In order to edit the widget, you can simply press and hold it, and now you can freely move it. Some widgets even have the ability to expand themselves. For example, Google search bar can be expanded horizontally, which is pretty funny illusion to be honest. But I will leave it as relatively small as possible. So let me press and hold once again. And I think that's good enough. And now I can move it to the center to have it to give a nice feel. And now, if you want to add new widgets, you can want to press and hold onto your home screen and then hit widgets. Now, you should see a list of every single widget on your device. As you can see, there is plenty to choose from, like something from YouTube, something from WhatsApp, something from Spotify, which usually is what people do. But I will go with something simple, like for example clock. And now I will choose my own clock, and I think I will go with this nice unlock clock. Let's hit add. As you can see, it's added right here on the other screen, so I can press and hold it once again, and now I can move it to the other screen, and I will also position it horizontally so everything is nice and even and just visually pleasing. If I remember correctly, the clock doesn't really support any kind of expansion, so it's locked into 2x2 mode. Anyway, that's all for the video. Oh, one last thing, you can also press and hold the widgets to simply hit remove to remove them if you want to. But yeah, now that's the end of the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.